Hi, I'm Peter Lowen with CreativeOnlineSchool.com. In this session, I will be explaining how to get a warm black and white effect in Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop if you haven't already. Now, locate the image you'd like to alter. Step 2. Hover over the image tab at the top of the screen and select Adjustments, then Black and White. Step 3. Now click Tint in the black and white menu. Step 4. You may now adjust the level of warmth you would like in your photo. Step 5. All done. We now have a finished image.